2027 BMW M4, the pinnacle of the G82, generation and a defiant celebration of the internal combustion engine. As the automotive world prepares for the upcoming Neue Klasse EV architecture, which will rebrand the M4 as an all-electric car in 2029, the 2027 model stands as a masterpiece of raw mechanical aggression. It refuses to give in, but instead serves as the ultimate and unapologetic expression of the modern Bavarian sports coupe. At the front, the aggressive, controversial but now iconic, frameless kidney grille dominates the space. That grille isn't just for show. It feeds a massive amount of air to the heart of the M4, the legendary S58, 3.0-liter, twin-turbocharged inline-6 engine in its competition X-Drive form. This engineering masterpiece produces a whopping 523 horsepower, propelling this Sao Paulo yellow coupe from 0 to 60 match in under 3.5 seconds. For the 2027 model year, BMW continues to refine and celebrate this platform, even introducing ultra-exclusive variants like the recently announced M Legacy Edition, honoring 40 years of M heritage. Whether cruising down tight canyon roads or idling on asphalt, the 2027 M4's stance is commanding and impressively wide, projecting a race-ready dominance that rivals struggle to match. The interior serves as a high-performance control center. The cabin seamlessly blends motorsport focus with premium, cutting-edge luxury, dominated by the BMW curved display running the latest version of the iDrive system. But beyond the screen, it's the physical touch that truly defines the M4 experience. The aggressively reinforced M carbon bucket seats hold the driver in place with a firm grip, while the perfectly weighted steering wheel communicates every subtle nuance of the road surface. Power is managed with pinpoint precision, whether channeled exclusively to the rear wheels for a pure sideways glide or dynamically distributed through the MX Drive all-wheel drive system for physics-defying launch grip. This is a space designed specifically for the art of driving. At the rear, the M4's muscular curves and aggressive carbon fiber diffuser are clearly visible. 4 exhaust tips, a signature BMW M detail, rest quietly, delivering a thunderous, throaty inline-6 engine note that no electric motor can replicate, while the horizon inevitably points to a silent, battery-powered future for the 4 Series line. The 2027 BMW M4 proves that the golden age of internal combustion engine sports cars is far from over. It remains a deeply impressive, incredibly fast, and deeply emotional machine, a solemn guardian of the ultimate driving machine. Legacy waiting in the shadows to be unleashed.